Watch the corner. I'm there. That's off. Are you fucking serious? Are you fucking kidding me? Are you serious? Did y'all see that shit? Bro, hold on. Just pause everything in life right now. Did y'all, bro, Mike Miller?
I also love the fact that they one bit constantly getting
Bitch ass team! Get blocked.